Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and as you can see in the background, it's so important to get a proper night's rest. 7 to 9 hours is the goal, and these oil blends can certainly help support that. And so you have doTERRA Serenity at 15 mil, which is roughly 250 drops. You have the Young Living Peace and Calming blend at 5 mil, and then you have the Melaleuca Peace at 15 mil. And so the 5 mil has roughly 85 drops. And so with the benefits, doTERRA Serenity promotes relaxation and a restful sleeping environment. And then the benefits of the peace and calming is that it supports peace and quiet during bedtime and helps settle emotions down. And then finally, the benefits of the Melaleuca Peace are supports tranquility, peaceful dreams, and a calm atmosphere. So you can kind of see some similar naming structure, but different sizes for what the companies are offering. And then the uses are twofold with the doTERRA Serenity, so you can use it in a diffuser, so the pedal diffuser or aroma light or the Lumo diffuser are a few good options. You can also add 2 to 3 drops with a third of a cup of Epsom salt during bath time, which is really great. You just put the oils on the Epsom salt and then drop it in the water to let it more evenly disperse. That's a great way to do some self-care as well as a cleaned body. Alright, and then the uses for the peace and calming are twofold. You can diffuse or breathe straight from your hands after you put a drop and kind of rub them together, or you can dilute with a carrier oil and apply to your reflex points, typically on the bottoms of your feet. The palms of your hands are a couple of really good spots. And then the ways to use the Melaleuca Peace are twofold. You can diffuse aromatically, dilute with carrier oil, and apply to temples, back of your neck, or spine. The ingredients: the Serenity has lavender, cedarwood, oud wood, ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, vanilla bean absolute, as well as Hawaiian sandalwood, which produces a really nice smell. It's kind of like a sweet smell, which is really nice. And the ingredients of the Young Living Peace and Calming are tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. And then finally, the ingredients of the Melaleuca Peace are tangerine, orange, patchouli, tansy, elamai, and German chamomile blue. And so you can see some similarities, but mostly a lot of differences, with doTERRA having kind of the most ingredients in its blend. And then the price for the Serenity is $40 retail for that 15 mil, or $30 wholesale. And then I have other videos that compare retail versus wholesale, as well as kit options, so you can kind of learn all about that. And then the price for Young Living's Peace and Calming is $45.72 for retail, and then $34.75 wholesale. And so keep in mind that this is a third of the size of doTERRA's, but it's still more expensive than doTERRA's when you look at the just raw price. And then Melaleuca's Peace is $40 for a regular member, which is similar to retail, and then $20 for a preferred member for the 15 mil. And so you can see that the price for the regular is very similar or exactly the same as doTERRA's in retail, but the preferred member is less expensive, but you got to do a little bit more to be able to get that as well. And so I do cover that in some of my other videos, and I'll have more information in the links in the description below, so you can check out my playlist. And that concludes today's video as well. And so make sure to hit the like button if you got some value out of today's video. Hit the subscribe button for future video updates. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video.